Now is the time of truth. Case Ripple vs. SEC has been going on for more than 4 years. No one needs to know. You might be shocked to learn that the hearing might end this month. Professionals think that the value of XRP Ripple coin will go up to $500 or even $1,000. This is the most interesting part. I agree that it sounds crazy, but anything is possible in our crazy world. You can't miss this kind of warning. Let me walk you through it one step at a time. Nota bene. The XRP Ripple case with the SEC has been a roller coaster ride for the crypto community, but the most recent events mark a major turning point. The SEC did not challenge the court's decision that XRP is not a security. This was confirmed by Ripple's legal team, which is led by Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderode. This decision is huge for people who own XRP because it makes it clear that XRP will not be looked at more closely by securities rules in the future. Alderode said that the decision was the law of the land, which shows how important it is for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The case has been going on for 4 years and has slowed down the price and growth potential of XRP. This decision is a big relief. A well-known person in the XRP community, JXRP, wrote, "Case dismissed even though the case hasn't been thrown out completely." This tweet shows how many people who support XRP feel the SEC's failure to appeal the decision is a loss for the agency. Even though Ripple has won, it isn't going to rest on its laurels. The business is getting ready to file a cross-appeal to challenge the court's ruling about institutional sales of XRP, which Judge Annalisa Torres had said were securities. Because of this decision, Ripple had to pay a $125 million fine, which is something the company wants to fight. Stuart Alderode and Ripple's lawyers are set on overturning this part of the decision. This choice could have big effects in the crypto space, where big institutions play a big role. It could affect the company's ties with big investors. On the other hand, the SEC isn't giving up completely. The government has sent in its own Form C appeal, which challenges the court's decision on the sales of XRP on cryptocurrency markets. Even though Judge Torres said these sales weren't investment contracts, the SEC says they should be. The CC's statement was interesting because it used the term crypto asset instead of the more common crypto asset security. This shows a small change in the agency's language. Some, like Lord XRP, gave hints that a settlement might happen at any time, which made people in the community even more curious. It's clear that Ripple and the SEC are getting ready for more court cases, even though a deal could bring some peace. While things calm down, the future looks good for XRP. These recent events have made the law clearer, which could finally free XRP from the cloud of governmental uncertainty. There could be a bigger price increase for XRP if Ripple is able to reverse the decision on institutional sales. With experts like Colin Brown and Aminix predicting that XRP will go up in value, it looks like things may have finally turned around in Ripple's favor. Stuart Alderode said it well, the decision stands and it's now the law. But what does this all mean for the price of XRP in the future? People in the Ripple group are very excited right now, but things are about to get even more intense. There are now new studies coming out from experts all over the crypto world, and the results are truly amazing. Trust me if you think you've seen everything. The upcoming XRP rise will be bigger than anyone thought possible. The numbers that are being predicted, mind-blowing, really. Even though the altcoin has had some rough patches, a lot of crypto fans think that XRP's next big move is just around the corner. As an example, XRP Captain, a well-known figure in the community, tweeted, "I strongly believe that XRP will not miss another bull run." In another tweet, he confidently said that an explosive move for XRP was on the way. These claims are not just empty words. They show that more and more people think something big is going to happen with Ripple's local token. The idea that XRP could reach unbelievable highs like $100, $500, or even $1,000 is a big part of this talk. Some market analysts think these numbers are not impossible, even though they may not seem likely at first glance. But Levi Riedfeld, a well-known expert, recently said that XRP could reach $100 if Bitcoin went through the roof and reach $1.5 million, which is the goal set by MicroStrategy chairman Michael Saylor. This link between Bitcoin's popularity and XRP's price rise suggests that changes in the market as a whole could have a big effect on Ripple's token. There are a lot of shocks in the market, so a huge rise in Bitcoin could very well lead to an explosion in XRP. What about the $500 goal, though? Eduardo Farina, who is in charge of social adoption at XRP Healthcare, has said that $500 for XRP could be a good deal in 5 years, especially if Ripple keeps adding new real-world uses and getting important partnerships. Farina agrees with the idea that XRP's use in global banking systems and cross-border payments could be a big reason for its growth. XRP would need to see huge jumps in both its value and its use across many different areas in order to reach that level of price. And finally, the big one, the price goal of $1,000. This may seem like an impossible goal, but CryptoTank, a well-known market analyst, says it's not completely impossible. To get to this level, XRP would probably need to become a safe way to keep value like gold or Bitcoin and be used by a lot of people around the world. If this happened, XRP would go from being a way to send money across borders to being a much more general financial asset. That's not all. Cryptocurrency is slowly taking over the world in ways that most people haven't even thought of up until now. XRP Ripple is getting ready to be used all over the world, and soon it might be a normal part of everyone's activities. Picture a world where XRP is used all the time, from sending money across borders to making everyday purchases. This kind of wide use could be what drives the price of XRP so high that it hits $1,000. XRP is figuring out how to stand on its own as the cryptocurrency world continues to change. Recent events point to a storm that is about to happen, which means that the token may be about to make a big break. People in the crypto world are very excited about what Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said about how XRP ETFs will soon be used. I was surprised by the timing, but not by the outcome, Garlinghouse said, referring to the support that XRP still has. It's been general knowledge for a while that it will happen. These feelings are strong with investors, especially now that the idea of an XRP ETF is becoming more real. The fact that big names like Bitwise and Canary Capital have filed for XRP ETFs changes everything. People in the crypto world are very interested in this strategic move, and so are institutional investors who are looking to diversify their portfolios. Garlinghouse's optimism makes people feel good. He thinks that these financial goods could be a big part of getting a lot of money invested in the XRP ecosystem. These ETFs' positive sentiment shows that XRP is no longer just a speculative asset. It's becoming clear that serious buyers can make money with it. It gets even more exciting after that. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs, which have raised an amazing $21 billion since their start earlier this year, could be a model for XRP to follow. Ripple's CEO has long thought that an XRP ETF would come about at some point, which would give the token the same institutional interest that has helped Bitcoin become so popular. The fact that Grayscale recently changed its digital large-cap fund into a spot-based ETF that includes XRP adds even more weight to this positive outlook. Then what does this mean for the price of XRP? Many people who follow the market are closely watching XRP's success because it could bring in new money and become more well-known among institutions. How people feel is changing. It used to be thought of as a token that didn't do anything, but XRP is changing into an exciting investment chance. As big investors start to see XRP as a good asset to add to their collections, the stage is set for a big rise. The XRP market is starting to show signs of a rising trend as Garlinghouse and his team work hard to build a framework for XRP's future. ETF applications, institutional interest, and Ripple's ongoing work may soon lead to a phase that changes everything for XRP. People in the cryptocurrency world are very excited about what's to come because XRP is gaining steam and getting more attention than ever. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Can you see XRP going up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.